Good evening, everybody, to all of you and our honorable teacher, Russell sir, who had given me the chance to help you with one of the most important lessons in phonetics, which is the TH sounds. Well, you may not know me because I'm from another batch, Phonetics Batch 1. So let me first introduce myself. I'm Purnat Shah. I'm 8 years old from Cox's Bazar International School. I study in class 2 and I'm also a student of SpeakUp as well. So today we're going to learn the TH sounds. So how are you all and how are you feeling to learn a new lesson?
We are fine, thank you.
I'm so glad to have you all here today, and I'm just over the moon today. So, you're all in phonetics too, right?
Yes.
Okay, so let's begin our lesson. Or shall we?
Yes.
Okay, then today we're going to learn the TH sounds. Well, the TH sounds commonly represents two sounds in English. One is the voiceless TH, another the voiced TH. Let's just take the symbols. This is the voiceless TH, and this is the voiced TH. Well, how to make the sounds? First, let's see the voiceless TH. First, open your mouth. Then, give a slight bite and push out the air, like this. Everybody got it?
Yes.
So keep practicing. Practice with me. Just at the first time, it can feel a bit awkward, but when you keep it in practice, it becomes so natural and easy for us to learn. Alright, then it's so easy, right?
Yes.
If you keep in practice. Okay, now let's see how to make the voice TH. Well, in the voice TH, we can see that there is a vibration. Voice means there will be a vibration. So, the position and everything will be same, but just a little vibration. If it feels hot, try this. And then put your hands in your throat. And you can feel a vibration, right?
Yes.
So, try this. That's the exact sound. Keep practicing and you can make it perfect. Now, let's do some examples. Example for this could be think. Think. There will be no vibration in the TH. Like, we can make it 2 seconds for the TH and the rest. Like this. Think. Try. Think. Think. Alright, now turn for the voice TH. We can say this. This. This.
This.
2 seconds for this one. This. This. Let's practice some more examples. Voiceless versus voiced. Voiceless. Think. Voiced. This. Try. For voiceless, we can use think.
Think.
And And for voiced, it can be this. Voiceless, thought. And voiced, those. Now, let's practice one sentence for each of them. So, for this one, the voiceless, we can say 3 thin thieves thought 1,000 thoughts. Well, try slowly first. 3 thin thieves thought 1,000 thoughts. We can feel it. Well, if you want to say it quickly, it will be like 3 thin thieves thought 1,000 thoughts. Try slowly with me. 3 thin thieves thought 1,000 thoughts. So, anyone wants to try this sentence? Alright, that's just simple. So, let's practice again. 3 thin thieves thought 1,000 thoughts. Now, turn for this one. The voice TH. In here, we can say, this one is better than the last one. This one is better than the last one. Try again. Try with me. This one is better than the last one. Can you find where is the TH? The TH is in this, then, and the. So, let's practice these 2 sentences again. 3 thin thieves thought 1,000 thoughts. Try. As in for we can say, this one is better than the last one. I hope you got it. So, does anyone have any clear, confusions? So, I hope I can clear the confusions between them. Now, the difference between them just is this one is just voiceless, means it has no vibration at all. And on the other hand, the voiced, this has a vibration, a vibrating sound. So, I hope I cleared all the confusions you had. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. It's time to say goodbye. Bye-bye.